Hello everyone, I'm Sam, and today I want to show you how to build an Android kernel modular. This actually takes me quite a few days to figure this out, but yeah, I actually make it here. And I want to save you some time, so I gave you this tutorial. And in my personal website, there is a post here. And if you don't want to listen to my bad English, you can just check out this post. Yeah, and let's just take a look. There are two kinds of kernel modular, and the first one is a kernel modular that is built into the kernel. Because after we compile the kernel, we actually get this Z image file, and you use that to start the emulator, right? So for this kind of kernel modular, it's built into that Z image file, so you don't need to load that modular manually. So how to build this kind of kernel? Let's just take a look. Yeah, before we start, I had mentioned that my Goldfish branch is Goldfish 3.4, and my EABI is this one, 4.6. Yeah, for this environment variables, you can just go to my website, and there is a post about how to set up all this environment. I think the post name, yes, the post name is this one, Android exploitation kernel stack buffer overflow. And at the beginning of this post, I give you all those things you need to set up the environment. Yeah, and here I just want to tell you how to build the kernel. Yeah, let's back to here. If you want to build the first kind of kernel modular, you have to create a hello world directly under the drivers. Yeah, and there are like 3 files, but actually you don't need this kconfig file. You just need this hello.c and the make file. So let's take a look at these files. And the hello.c, this one is quite simple. When you start this modular, it prints out the hello kernel world, and when it exists, it prints out goodbye kernel world. Yeah, and the make file is quite simple too. It's just this one. But there's one more thing you need to do. Under the drivers, you have to do add one line in the make file. This one, obj-y and plus hello world. It just tells you that you have to go to this directory to make it. Yeah. So after you do this, you have to build it. Yeah, I don't need to go to my website. I just make go. Oh, I'm sorry. Make Goldfish ARMv7 df config. I think it's right. And make -j8. Yeah, that's it. Let's build the kernel. It may take me some time, right? Yeah, but this is my I've built this kernel several times, so it might save me some time. If it's the first time that you are going to build the kernel, it may take you like 10 minutes. Depends on your computer. Like if you have a really fast computer, it will take you less time. Yeah, sure. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, right, it's done. Okay, let's just try start our emulator. Let's see. I don't want to type all those commands by myself, so I just want to copy it. Yeah, right here. I just want to copy this command line and change it a bit because I have a different AVD name. Yeah, kernel exp. This is my machine's name, and yeah, we want to see whether our hello world module has been loaded into the kernel. So how are we going to check that? Yeah, let me show you. Let's wait until it start. Wait a minute. Oh, did you see these weird things, IP6 tables? Because I just disable all those configs. Because later we are going to build a loadable kernel modular, so we have to disable some lines in the config file, so it will give you this kind of warnings, like something like that. But it's okay. It won't. It's not going to affect us, and everything will be fine. Okay. Did you see this low memory killer? So our device is there. Hey, oh, are you serious? Okay, adb shell. So as I just said, our hello world modular will print out hello kernel world, right? So let's say the message. This is the command that will show you all the message it prints out when the kernel starts. So yeah, grab hello. Yeah, you see, this is hello kernel world, and this is the message that it print out. So yeah, we see that our module is loaded correctly. Yeah, let's see whether it's not exist. So where is the modular? Let's see its mode. Oh, it's not there. Let me think about this. Where can we find our modular? Is here? I think it's not here. Yeah, we cannot find it because yeah, the module didn't it's not going to create a device, so you cannot find it in this root file. But you actually, if you write the modular code, like if you use create device in the source code of the modular, it will actually show up in under the device directory, like it's here. Yeah, you see here. There's many things here. So if you just use something like create device in the source code of your kernel modular, it will shows up here. And yeah, there's a lot of things to learn about, but I may not cover those things here. So yeah, this is the first kind of kernel modular. It's just built into the kernel, and the second one is just that you can load it manually. Yeah, since that you see, you just start the kernel and you want to load them kernel modular, and yeah, that's a kind of kernel module that I want to introduce. But before we start, I would say that you have to change the config file. Yeah, here in the architecture AIM and the configs and the where goldfish mv7 deconfigure. Yes, this one. You have to yes, delete several configs. Like the first one is what I added here. It's not so useful, but it just shows that I just add all those things about IPv6. Because if you leave those IPv6 configs here, they will give you some error. So yeah, there are several things that I did, like this one. Yeah, you have to delete this one and all these things. This one's because it's IP6, and yeah, just double check at my previous post. on my website. Yeah, but I think that's all. So when you change this configs and you build your kernel, so in this case your kernel will be able to load modulars. So yeah, and let's build a loadable kernel modular. Let's go to the directory that yeah, just go to that hello world documents. I think kernel goldfish and the drivers hello world. Yeah, here. It's okay. We just leave these things here. All we need to change is make fire. Yeah, make fire. Change it to okay, so and cat keyconfig. This one default. Let's change this. But I think if you don't change it's okay. But I just want to change it here. Yeah, and make. Oh, no target. Are you serious, man? No target. Make fire. Oh, yeah, I have to add several things here. It's my fault. I should add those things. Build a kernel modular, because you have to add these things. Okay, let's see, kernel dir equals documents kernel goldfish and or I don't want to type all those things, just let's copy it. Okay, that's all. I think it will be fine this time. Okay, let's just do make. Okay, nice. We build the modular, and which one is the one that we're going to use? You see this one, hello.kill, right? This hello.kill. This is the one that we are going to use. But before we start, I want there's some old modulars that I put it here. I think I put something here. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's not the hello.kill. Okay. So adb push hello.kill and to the data local temp directory, and yeah, that's adb shell. Go to that directory and local temp here. Yeah, we see we have this hello.kill here, right? Okay, so what I want to do is load this modular. I want to insert modular hello.kill, right? Yes. What? Oh, sorry. Okay. Did you see this? Hello kernel what? If I forgot this, it's just some random things. But we actually loaded this modular, and if we just list mode modular, we see this hello. This is our modular that we load into the kernel. So if you want to remove this modular, you just remove hello.kill, and yeah, you see goodbye kernel world. This means the modular is existed, and yeah, it says goodbye kernel world. This is a loadable kernel modular. Yeah, right. Yeah, I think that's all. That's two kinds of kernel modules that I want to introduce you. and hopefully I can save you some time, so you don't need to spend several days to figure this out like me. So yeah, if you have any question, just leave a comment below, and I will answer. I will answer you. I will try my best to answer you, but I'm not so experienced. I don't have so many experience, and yeah. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.